Hey guys, so today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get free diamonds on Bigo Live. So as you can see guys, we do not have a lot, but in the mod menu, we can turn on free coins. So I'm going to press unlock right here. And as you can see, it's going up. So we'll just give it a minute for this to go ahead and load here, as you can see. So I'm just going to let it load up, and you can see it says like verifying. Okay, so now they should start increasing, guys. So as you can see, it says added. So let's see what happens, guys. And yes, it's working. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this 2026, guys, fully working version. So let's get into the tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So all you got to do is go to your browser, and I believe the website is matrixmods.com. So let me just type it in. So now go to the search bar and type Bigo Live. And as you can see, it is the mod. So press download, and then the last step is the verification. So during this step, we need to download 2 apps and follow the instructions 100% for free from official app store, and then we'll get it on our device. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load. As you can see, so it's basically going to say missing files. So what you have to do is download 2 of the apps from the list. For instance, Underdog Fantasy says down and run for 30 seconds. Then we have the Family Island, which says reach level 11. So that's a little more advanced, but just make sure you do 2 of them, guys. Should be good to go. Then you get the Bigo Live mod, free diamonds. So super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. So yeah, get the word out, guys. Just make sure you download 2 of the apps. But yes, actually works. So if you guys are broke, you can try this. It's super cool. So yeah, some of the apps might suck. Like if you really don't want to do Family Island and reach level 10, you can just do a different one. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Peace out, bros. This is so cool.